Today we're going to make some all-in chicken soup. We're going to start off by boiling some potatoes, our chicken, and you can use some chicken that's already cooked. I use oven roasted chicken. Then you're going to add the potatoes in and you're going to boil that along with some little something something. And then from there you're going to add everything you got in the house that you can put in soup. So in here I have potatoes, tomato sauce, celery, carrots. I have some leftover rice pilaf. Cut up some onions, some corn, cut up some bell peppers. I had some leftover collard greens in there, and then I used a bag of soup vegetables from Kroger's. And the spice I put in there are bay leaves and some little something something. And the little something something is all-purpose seasoning. It has everything in it you need. But I love adding bay leaves to my soup. Once everything is boiling, add thickener to it. And that's just half water and half flour in a cup. And mix it in and just put a little bit in there and stir it in until you get to the thickness that you like. So there you have it. If you're sick, this is perfect. Voila. You can order our product online at catrinaskitchen.com.